In this next set of demonstrations, we're going to look at the manipulation of a mannequin to assume various postures associated with a series of tasks on lifting the 3.5 horsepower engine, as we see in the following slides. So there's our engine, and at the moment the mannequin is not closely related to the engine, at least not as closely as we would like. We want the mannequin to pick the engine up by grasping the output shaft and the fan shroud in a firm way. So I'm going to start by selecting a predefined posture. This is a pre-stored posture of this mannequin, and I'm going to select the pick engine posture and then apply that to mannequin male 2. Let's just have a go at that and click apply, and you'll notice that very quickly it changes its posture, including, for example, the grasping location of the right hand. Now at the moment the mannequin is not attached in any way to the engine, and we can test that by simply moving using the forward kinematics his left forearm, and we see that the engine is not attached. So the first thing we're going to do is to create an attachment between the mannequin's left flat hand and the engine. So we select the engine, select that part of the hand and click OK. That's made an attachment, and on the other side we wish to then fix the right hand onto the output shaft. That's the way they're going to pick the engine up. Now we can test this by moving the mannequin, again using our forward kinematics, and we can see that the engine now moves with the hand, but you'll notice that we need to do an update to move the right hand onto the shaft. So there's our initial pick location. We've made some movements here. The next thing we really want to do is, we can also look at that in inverse kinematics. The next thing we want to do is to associate this with a higher position, a lift location, so that the mannequin can pick the object and raise it to a particular height. So we are now going to select another posture. Let's go to the posture editor or the posture catalogue, and we're now going to select, got to get these things in the right order here, we're going to select the lift engine posture for mannequin 2 and then apply that, and we'll now see that the engine is located at an upper position with a slightly better body posture. And from this point on we are now able to do some analysis on this to look at the postural attributes and the stress within the human body, which we'll look at in the next session.